Hi, I'm here with Ron and Jeff from the club division at Daxko. How are you guys doing today?
Doing amazing.
Terrific.
Good. So tell us a little bit about you and your company.
So I'm the CEO of Daxko, and we provide member management and integrated payment solutions for the health and wellness industry. Everything from the largest clubs like Golds or Equinox or Blink, all the way down to YMCAs, JCCs, CrossFit gyms, and everything in between.
Great. And tell us a little bit about what you have here on display and why it's important for you to be here this year.
Well, this year, this is a critical juncture for the whole fitness industry. And it has been just so good for the soul to talk to our club owners and their exciting plans to grow and invest in people and what we're trying to do for fitness, which we all learned that with COVID, it's really important to be physically fit, mentally fit. So couldn't be more excited about the industry and where we're headed.
Beautiful. And how are you approaching the new trends that are emerging, such as the hybridization of digital, at-home, in-club workouts?
What you see here today is we're really highlighting our new mobile app, and just an amazing way for clubs to really easily connect, to members through communication, through interaction at the club, bringing them into the club, doing transactions easily, then also a connection through a digital platform through that application.
How would you describe the essential nature of the fitness industry? There have been a lot of talks about what does it mean to be an essential worker? What does it mean to have an essential business? What do you think about that?
That work from home phenomenon, the craziness of COVID, all of those are bringing millions of people into health and wellness. And that's what I think is truly exciting. The big mega trend for next year is, I think as an industry, we will be significantly larger because more and more people will be invested in going to clubs and getting healthier.
And speaking of next year, are you both going to be at the IHRSA 2022 convention in Miami?
Oh yeah, are you kidding me? Can't wait.
Absolutely. We love IHRSA. We love what the organization does. We've tried to be a real good partner during COVID, and we will absolutely see you in Miami.
It's wonderful. And if you can describe the IHRSA convention, this year's convention, in one word, what would it be?
Oh man, I think this is a reunion. It's just so fun to see people back in community. I've seen more hugs at this show than I've ever seen at any other IHRSA. I've been coming here for 25 years.
Optimism. People are optimistic about the future. Yes, we got knocked down. Yes, we were on the mat, but we weren't knocked out. And we're back up and hearing all of the ideas of people rebuilding their business and taking it to the next level. It is super, super exciting. So thrilled to death and very optimistic about the future.
Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.